Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Bumble and going straight to Edit Profile. Tap your avatar and choose Edit Profile now. You can change your display name in the name field immediately, so type the exact name you want and save the change. Once done, make sure to note how you signed up. Facebook or Apple often control age data. If your account is connected, you'll need to update that source or prepare to contact Bumble support to change the age rather than relying only on the in-app edit. You edit the name field and press save. The display name usually updates immediately across matches. If you need to change your age, don't waste time in the profile alone. Check the connected account, Facebook or Apple, and change the date of birth there first, then relink or wait for sync. If that isn't an option, open Settings Right Arrow Help and support Right Arrow Contact Us and submit a request. Include a clear photo ID and a short explanation so Bumble can verify and apply the age change correctly. You finish by forcing a refresh. Log out, force close the app, then log back in to ensure edits propagate. Once done, scan your profile and a few match views to confirm the new name and age appear. If changes don't show, clear cache or reinstall the app and check again. If that fails, contact Bumble support with your request, attach a photo ID and screenshots of the problem, and make sure to include your account email so they can verify and complete the change. Response times vary.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.